Welcome to Ocean Science. Today I'm going to tell you how the ocean was formed. Okay, but what do you mean about the ocean? Because today we have many divisions on the different oceans, as the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, or also the Indian Ocean. And then we have the different seas, as the Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea, or Red Sea. I mean that in the past there was only one big ocean that contains all the planet with one continent. This continent was Pangaea. The biggest continent that we had on Earth has around all this ocean called Pantalassa that was in the ancient Earth. But before this there was no ocean in the Earth. So we have now many theories that how this ocean was formed. The first theory that we have is the alien theory that says that all the water that we have in the ocean comes from other planets in the form of asteroids, of meteorites. The rain of these objects put all this water on the surface part of the ancient Earth, and after the years and the eons, we arrived to have a quantity of water that becomes an ocean. Then we have another theory that says that all this water comes from inside of the Earth, come from volcanoes, that all this activity put the materials that we have inside of the Earth outside. All these gases that come with the different components then condense into the water that we understand as ocean. Because in the past the Earth was a warm planet that has a volcanic activity, a heat activity. So these components that was put on the Earth then condense and form this new ocean. And a recent theory that we have, the last one I'm going to tell you in this video, is the theory that says that always was the water on the Earth. So this water that we see today was always here. All the planet was a blue planet as today, and then around with the pass of the years and the eons, this water was evaporated and we have the situation that we have today. These three theories has something important in common that becomes a way to link the Earth, the ancient Earth, without life, with the actual Earth, with life. So if we understand which of these theories we will see as true, then we will have the way to go and explore the space, this solar system and this universe, to see where there can be life outside of our planet. Because it's different if we have all this time the ocean was part of the Earth, so we see how this important is because it was a thing that only this planet has, or the water come from other parts of the universe as a form of asteroids. So that means that in other part of this universe, this solar system or other galaxies, there was water that became part of our planet and then became life. So if this is true, in other parts of the universe we can have life, and if it's not true, there may be another ways to understand how the life can be formed in another planet, but it will be more difficult. So all this is to understand how the science are linked between them and how we can understand things that involves also the philosophy of our planet from the normal theories of formation of the ocean in this case. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.